Tired of juggling a dozen different apps just to get your work done? One for calls, another for video meetings, a third for team chat, and don't even get me started on the separate contact center software. It's enough to make your head spin, right? Imagine a world where all of that, and more, is seamlessly integrated into one intuitive platform. A platform that doesn't just connect you, but intelligently empowers you to work smarter, collaborate effortlessly, and deliver exceptional customer experiences. Well, stop imagining, because that world is here, and it's powered by RingCentral. For years, RingCentral has been a leading force in unified communications, but they're not sitting still. They're constantly innovating, pushing the boundaries of what's possible, and integrating cutting-edge technologies to make your business communications truly next level. And that's exactly what we're diving into today. What's new in RingCentral? We're not talking about minor tweaks. We're talking about significant advancements that are reshaping the way businesses communicate, collaborate, and serve their customers. From powerful AI-driven capabilities to enhanced user experiences across the board, RingCentral is rolling out updates that you absolutely need to know about. So, buckle up, because we're about to explore the latest innovations that are setting RingCentral apart and how they can revolutionize your daily operations. First up, let's talk about the beating heart of business communication, RingEX. This is where your phone, SMS, and fax capabilities live, and RingCentral has been busy refining and enhancing it to be more powerful and intuitive than ever. One of the standout features that's now becoming even more prominent across plans is the AI assistant. This isn't just a fancy buzzword. It's a practical tool that provides live call transcription and captions. Imagine being on a call and having a real-time transcript appear on your screen, making it easier to follow complex discussions or jot down key points. This isn't just for higher tiers anymore. Even the RingEX Core plan is offering this, democratizing access to powerful AI features. This means improved comprehension, better note-taking, and a significant boost to productivity for everyone on your team. But the AI magic doesn't stop there. RingCentral is continually expanding its AI toolkit with RingSense AI. Think of RingSense as your intelligent communication partner, providing real-time suggestions, call analytics, and even sentiment analysis for both chat and voice channels. For customer service teams, this is a game changer. Imagine an agent receiving real-time prompts with relevant information based on the customer's query, or supervisors gaining instant insights into customer sentiment during a call. This proactive assistance helps agents deliver faster, more effective support, leading to higher customer satisfaction. And for sales teams, it means more informed conversations and better outcomes. The ability to search unstructured data and knowledge base articles within the flow of a conversation is also a huge efficiency gain. Beyond individual interactions, RingCentral is also making strides in Contact Center and RingCX. We're seeing powerful new capabilities designed to streamline workflows and optimize customer service. For instance, the focus on AI in the contact center is all about making agents more efficient and customer interactions more seamless. We're talking about features that help design self-service options, provide agents with help before they even ask for it, and route conversations based on context, not just assumptions. This shift towards more intelligent routing ensures customers are connected with the right agent the first time, minimizing frustration and maximizing resolution rates. One exciting development in this area is the introduction of the Voice Biometrics Hub. This new application allows you to configure and manage connections to your voice biometrics provider, opening up possibilities for enhanced security and personalized customer experiences. Imagine a customer calling in and being instantly verified by their voice, eliminating the need for tedious security questions. This not only speeds up the process, but also adds a layer of sophistication to your customer interactions. For those who rely heavily on visual communication, RingCentral Video, Meetings, and Rooms are also seeing significant enhancements. For RingCentral Rooms, there's an improvement with 1080p video now being turned on by default for internal Rooms meetings. This means clearer visuals and improved communication during your meeting room collaborations. They've also added support for new hardware like the Poly/HP Elite Mini 800G9 desktop PC, ensuring a wider range of compatible devices for optimal performance. You'll also find enhanced tracking modes for Yealink and Poly cameras, providing a more dynamic and engaging meeting experience. And for those who host or attend webinars, RingCentral Webinar is continually adding features to enhance engagement. The ability for hosts to allow attendees to speak or request to speak directly in the webinar increases interactivity. And the smart translation feature for Q&A is a global communication dream, allowing users to post and view questions and answers in their preferred language with auto-translation for other participants. This truly breaks down language barriers and fosters more inclusive discussions. Beyond the specific features, RingCentral is also focusing on the overall user experience and administrative control. There's a continued emphasis on security enhancements, with AES 256 encryption now being the default for RingCentral Meetings clients, giving IT admins even greater peace of mind. For administrators, new account-level settings provide more granular control over user settings, such as the ability to turn off Join Before Host for all users or make passwords mandatory for meetings. These small but significant improvements empower IT teams to better manage and secure their communication environment. The platform is also making it easier to integrate with your existing workflows. RingCentral's open ecosystem continues to grow, with deeper integrations across various business applications. For example, there's enhanced support for Salesforce with features like high-velocity sales, beta, and cloud phone reporting, beta, allowing sales teams to seamlessly leverage RingCentral data directly within their CRM. This kind of integration is crucial for maintaining a unified view of your customer interactions and streamlining sales processes. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.